Good morning everyone. This is Papya Datta working as a lecturer in Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic College. Today I am going to perform an experiment, that is experiment number 10, that is class B push-pull amplifier. So push-pull amplifier is an amplifier which has an output stage that can drive a current in either direction through the load. Push-pull amplifier is a supervisor over single-ended amplifier in terms of distortion and performance. So this is a push-pull amplifier. This is a push-pull amplifier trainer kit. So we are giving input from the function generator here, and this is positive and this is negative, and we are taking the output from the CRO. So this is a function generator. In function generator we have adjusted the amplitude as 100 millivolt and frequency as, click on the frequency, frequency is 2000 Hz, that is 2 kilohertz. Okay, and depending on the various frequency you will get the various output voltage. On the CRO we will get the output voltage on the CRO, and output has been taken from the, so these two inputs and outputs, one are taken from the function generator, and here we will get the output over here. If you vary the frequency, the output voltage also varies. Now first turn on the switch, and there is a pot which we can vary. Now we are getting the, if you can see, we are getting the output. Okay, that means what? If you vary the pot, output signal also varies. Now count the amplitude. Count the amplitude over here. This is 2.4. This is 2.4 volt into multiplied by volt per division 2. This is 4.8 volt. Now earlier it was 100 millivolt. Now change the amplitude to 200 millivolt and see for the output. Now change it in the function generator and see what will happen. Set it as 200 millivolt. Earlier it was 100 millivolt. Okay, it is 200 millivolt, and you can see the amplitude of the output voltage increases. Okay, now we will going to note down on the all these values on the observation table. So this is our circuit diagram of class B push-pull amplifier, and the resources required for these experiments are function generator, CRO, regulated DC power supply, transistor, resistors, capacitors. All these things are embedded in the trainer kit. Now we'll go for the observation table. So this is our observation table, where R1 is taken as 10.23 kilo ohm, which is the input resistance measured at the input of class B amplifier, and R2 is 9.6 ohm. Now in the table input we have to calculate the input voltage. I have already taken the 100 millivolt. Then you can take for 0.5 volt and 9 volt. I have already calculated the voltage. I hope you have understood the concept of class B push-pull amplifier. Thank you.